Is it on? Hi, I'm Doggy. Hi, I'm Doggy. Sorry, I was speaking like that. My name's actually not Doggy, just Dog. I'm out in the wild, and I'm hungry. There has to be something around here.
What? You see an apple? Can you say apple?
I'm kidding. Let's go with apple. Why is it so soggy? How am I gonna get apple? Well, there's a chair. I'm gonna sit on chair. I love chair. Chair is so awesome, but it's uncomfortable because there's no pillows. And I see one with pillows over there. But of course it's soggy, so that sucks. Well, I'm gonna get off the chair. Oh, I have gotten off chair, and I see birds. I see birds. Birds are the best. You know what? I'm gonna run for it. I'm gonna run to get the apples. And it has to be with the tablet because my owner does not have the mask, sadly. He has it somewhere else. Well, anyways, let's go get apple. At that tree. Not that tree. Look how tiny it is. That tree. Now let's get apple. All the apples suck. Well, how am I gonna eat? Oh wait, can't you just blur out your face, owner? No, I can't. Oh, okay. Well, sit on the chair that I was sitting on. Where? This is still boring. And eel. Put on some shoes, dude. Well, anyways. There's walks here. I could eat walks. Let me eat walks. Yeah. Alright. What should I do? Guess I'll just eat bark. That was disgusting. Guess I'm trapped here. No!